Be ready. Start. Defendant number 2 and 3 felt aggrieved and filed first appeal within bracket CA number 31 of 1967 before the first appellate court by judgment decree dated 11/6/1968. The first appellate court partly allowed the defendant's appeal and modified the judgment decree of the trial court. It was held by the first appellate court that the suit land was an ancestral property of the family, that the parties to the suit are governed by the custom, that defendant number 2 and 3 were able to prove legal necessity for the family partially to the extent of rupees 7399, and lastly the revisioners of Pritam Singh would therefore be entitled to get possession of the suit land after the demise of Pritam Singh on payment of rupees 7399, and the sale in question would not be binding on their revisionary interests. Defendant number 2 and 3 within bracket purchasers of the suit land felt aggrieved and filed second appeal before the High Court. During the pendency of second appeal, the Punjab Custom within bracket power to contest Amendment Act 1973 came into force on 23/1/1973. The High Court by order dated 22/4/1974 allowed the second appeal and dismissed the suit in view of the law laid down by the High Court of Punjab and Haryana in the case of Charan Singh versus Ghal Singh 1974 PLR 125, wherein it was held that the Amendment Act of 1973 was retrospective in nature, and therefore in the light of the amendment the plaintiff had no right to challenge the alienation made by his father under the custom prevailing at the relevant time. The plaintiff felt aggrieved and filed appeal in this court. This court disposed of the said appeal along with the other appeals involving the similar point within bracket C. Darshan Singh versus Rampal Singh and AIR 1991 SC 1654. It was held by this court that the amendment of 1973 made in the Act is retrospective in nature, and that the law laid down by the High Court of Punjab and Haryana in the case of Charan Singh within bracket Supra is correct and does not need any reconsideration. It was also held that since the High Court, while deciding the second appeal, did not examine the question involved in the appeal in the context of principles of Hindu law, the matter has to be remanded to the High Court for deciding the second appeal afresh in the light of the principles of Hindu law. This is how the matter was remanded to the High Court for deciding the second appeal afresh. On remand, the High Court asked the parties as to whether they want to lead any additional evidence to enable the High Court to decide the appeal as directed by this court. The parties stated that they do not want to lead any additional evidence, and the High Court could decide the appeal on the basis of evidence already adduced. By impugned order, the High Court allowed the appeal filed by the defendants and dismissed the suit. It was held that the suit land was an ancestral property of the family, that Pritam Singh being a Karta had a right to sell the suit land, that there did exist a legal necessity of the family for which the suit land was required to be sold by Karta, that there were two debts within bracket Takkavi loan and one private loan on the family, and secondly the family had an agriculture land which needed improvement, that with a view to discharge the loan liability and to undertake the improvement on the land. The Karta Pritam Singh sold the suit land for valuable consideration. That these facts were duly mentioned in the sale deed in question, that the sale was therefore bona fide, legal, and made for valuable consideration. It is therefore binding on the plaintiff. The plaintiff felt aggrieved and filed the present appeal by way of special leave in this court. फ्रेंड्स, वीडियो पसंद आए तो प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब द चैनल.